Jana, where are you? Huh? Hello? Nari kay listahan na.
Number 2?
Hmm?
Channel. Today we're going to be back to school shopping. Hooray!
And we are here sa Walmart.
Mama, look, that shirt is so cute.
Yeah. Okay, start now, Jordana. Ikaw man yung asa mo lista man, no eh.
Over there.
Murag hurot-hurot na jud ba? Kay klase naman sila, ugma. Oh, somebody open it.
These pens also look cute.
Hmm? Tanawa sa ko na imong lista, Jordan, naman, oy.
Somebody ripped it out.
Ate. So, it looks like murag wala dire ang among gikinahanglan, guys. So, mga tumiglaing place. Siguro sa Staples. But before that, malit sa mig eggs, milk, ang ubang gamit sa balay. So this is Dana's school supplies list. Hurot-hurot na kay tungod ugma klase naman gud sila. How about you, Manoy? Did you get some of your stuff? Huh? No? Okay, Tana. Dana, ate, come on. Let's go to other place, ate. We are going somewhere else. So, itong nabili namin dito sa Walmart. Taas ang linya. Alin naman, Noy? Bumili na rin kami ng snacks sa mga kids, right?
Yeah.
Ano sa man itong snacks niyong gipalit?
We got new snacks.
Fruit snacks?
We got fruit snacks, we got little bites, and we also have like these we also have like these sticks that you dip in cheese.
Okay.
Right?
So I got you, Yoo-hoo, guys. This one, chocolate milk. You like this, Jana, right? Yoo-hoo.
Me and Jana had
Manoy.
to decide.
Inom sa si Manoy, Yoo-hoo.
Me and Jana had to decide like the snacks that we already tried and that we like.
Okay.
Say cheese. Barbecue chips. Barbecue chips are good.
Okay, kami pupunta na sa next store para sa mga school supplies sa mga bata. Kasi naubusan na dito sa Walmart. Hopefully naatanan ang inyong school supplies, guys. What's that? $50 off for print. Ay, good thing wala masyadong tao. Okay, let's go. Kasi mga malita. Ballpoint pens. Aba, yung manoy. Tanaway mo haga.
Yeah, 12
Hanggang mga
pesos,
ballpen.
179.
Oh, sharpen. Dara. Ang Jordana. Number 2. Yeah.
Ang sabi nila sa Jana. Number 2, sharpen pencil.
Yes, I need 12 of them.
Check it. 12.
Nakay pen.
Yeah, check it.
Check ate. Jana, where are you? Huh? Hello? Nari kay listahan na. Okay, hold on. Let's see kung makumpleto namin ang school supplies sa mga bata.
I don't know what the teacher will do.
Imi man eh. Tigpila man eh.
I think they ran out of these glue sticks. If you put it, it's not gonna smudge.
So far, ito na ang nabili namin, guys. Yan. Tissue, folders,
I have completed my
notebooks.
list.
You did? Check
Yeah.
na?
I have so many folders. I even have a
Clorox
red one.
and hand sanitizer. Kaning roll of paper towels at tinaaratan ni sa balay. Diyan na lang. Manoy, okay na ka?
Does yours say Elmer's glue?
Elmer's glue.
Wala man.
The liquid one. I only have the
No.
stick.
Wala.
The stick will get cold.
Almost complete na kay Dana, guys. Ang kulang na lang is this one.
9 by 12.
One container of Clorox. Wala sila
Is
dito.
there a ruler somewhere here?
And hand sanitizer, naubusan sila. Yung paper towels is meron na kami niyan sa bahay. So, may dalawang kulang kay Ate Dana. So now, ang hinahanap na lang namin kay Jana. Dahil kay Manoy, ano lang guys, notebook lang kay Johnny Boy. Kasi iba-iba yung teachers niya. So hopefully makita namin yung ibang school supplies ni Jana.
This looks so cute.
Baby Jana. Jana's pencil case. Kailangan kasi malaki para kasya yung pencils and crayons niya. So I think this is perfect dahil she loves unicorn. Price nito is $4.99.
There's a purple one.
Yan, naghahanap pa ng
Ayan, purple. Jana,
AirPods
purple or blue?
for Ate Dana. That's yours, Ate, right? AirPods?
Yeah. What? The charger computers.
Yay, we're done. So, ang kulang na lang, Jordana, is hand sanitizer,
It's optional.
Clorox, and
Water. I need water.
wipes. Wipes ba yun, Jordana?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think we're good. Okay, let's go.
Can you also get water?
Check out time. Yan, may nakita kami guys, Clorox. Clorox! Check out. Me. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Watch Jana. We're done. So, yung lahat na nabili namin, guys, ang nabayaran namin is 113.75. So, ayan lang. Pauwi na kami. Kami sa Popeyes.
Yum yum.
Ito ang dinner namin mamaya.
Yum yum chili chili.
Ay, French fries, Dada. Chicken, French fries, and spicy sandwich ni Johnny Boy.